The paleo diet is meant to help you eat in a way that's more like the way that early human beings ate, before civilization and farming were invented. The idea is that people are not evolved to easily digest a lot of grains, sugars, and other starches, so we cannot handle the modern diet well. By eating the kind of foods that ancient hunter-gatherers might have eaten, your body can do more with less. Here are 3 ways the paleo diet can help you lose weight. 1. Lots of protein. The paleo diet favors protein-rich foods over starchy ones, and protein-rich foods are great for weight loss. You see, protein makes you feel full, while starchy foods have a moreish sort of feel to them. Think about it. When you eat a pork chop, you'll feel full and satisfied. When you eat chips, you keep wanting just a few more until you realize you've eaten half the bag. 2. No added sugar. You don't eat processed, sugary foods on the paleo diet. That means you end up taking in a lot fewer calories, which is what causes weight loss. 3. There's no counting calories. The paleo diet works by changing what you eat, not how much you eat, so you don't have to constantly feel hungry and upset. Because it's easier to stick to this diet, it's easier for this diet to work. And if you're seriously looking for a fast and natural weight loss solution, then I recommend you to click the link in the description, healthfitnessplanet.com/weightloss. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.